Well, Thailand's biggest annual auto show has hit the road, and visitors to the event, which has opened today at the Impact Arena, are in for one hell of a juicy treat. Hoping to make up for lost sales due to last year's mega floods, automakers are offering highly attractive promotions, including free first class insurance for the first year. And there's a lot to see, plus a number of models to choose from. The spotlight at this Bangkok International Motor Show, which runs until April 8th, is on eco cars with at least 5 models to choose from. But there are also a number of new entrants like the Civic, Camry, Focus, and Trailblazer, plus a host of minor change models. Because we are doomed with the prospect of ever increasing fuel prices, public attention this year is on light, frugal eco cars. Mitsubishi is hoping to accelerate sales of its newly launched Mirage Eco car by giving away free first class insurance and a 10,000 baht cash rebate for the first 9,000 customers, so hurry. Mitsubishi is also offering extra low interest for models like the Triton Double Cab and Pajero Sport. Nissan too is offering easy payment promotions for its March and Almera Eco cars and its Navara pickup truck, while buyers of the new Suzuki Swift Eco car are eligible to purchase first class insurance at 50% of the normal price. The Brio, which tasted a mighty awful year in 2011 due to parts disruptions caused by the Japanese disaster and Thai floods, comes with 1.79% interest, which is among the lowest at the show. Honda is offering buyers of the CR-V free insurance, while buyers of the Freed E Limited model can enjoy interest-free installments and insurance. Hyundai, meanwhile, is offering a 4-year or 120,000 kilometer warranty, a 4-year or 80,000 kilometer free maintenance, and a 4-year 24-hour emergency service. Kasikorn Leasing Managing Director Akranan says his company will finance as many as 5,000 vehicles at the event, more than half of them being eco cars, so obtaining a loan won't be difficult. The company is offering 30-minute credit checks, interest rates of 2.3 to 2.6%, a 72 months installment period, and 1,500 baht monthly installments on loans of 100,000 baht. Krungsi Auto, meanwhile, is asking for 5% interest and an 84 months installment period without any guarantor required. Customers can check their credit rating within 15 minutes by producing their ID cards. Automakers like Mercedes-Benz is offering a 60 months interest-free package for their S-Class range and E300 Avantgarde, while C250 Coupe buyers can benefit from a 36 months interest-free promotion. Volvo is offering free sports accessories worth 240,000 baht for the S40 Sport, while S80 2.5 FT buyers can choose between a 260,000 baht dynamic package and a 48 months interest-free offer. As for Jaguar, its XF 3.0 V6 can be bought for an introductory price of 4.99 million plus a free comfort pack worth 300,000 baht. Official Porsche importer AAS Auto Service is offering a 36 months interest-free package plus a 9-year warranty. The price of the new Boxster has also been cut from 8.2 million to 7.99 million, and it comes with a 4-year service package. Any takers? So there you have it. If you are looking for a new car, just zoom on down to the model show and you won't be disappointed.